Hello, Dr. Ravi. How are you? Gary over here. I'm going to demonstrate what you're going to do when you get your C-arm in your office. How you're going to connect the interconnect cable. Assistant, come closer. Assistant. This is the interconnect cable, Doctor. You're going to put that on the C-arm. Assistant, come around this way. Okay. This is the interconnect cable. It's got a red dot right over here. And this has a red dot also. So you align that red dot perfectly, and then you start screwing it in until the little ball pushes in. See how when it's tight, the ball pushes in? That means it's on. So once you do that, then you do the power cord. That's the power cord. Goes second after you put the interconnect cable. Very important that you do not do this one first. This one gets done second. When you ever unplug it, also do the same thing. Do this one first on reverse when you turn it off. This one first, and then the interconnect cable. That interconnect cable has a lot of electricity going through it. Be very, very careful. The foot switch is going to be packed in like this somewhere. I think we left it on, but if it didn't, it's very self-explanatory. Had you put it in, take it out here, get it ready to shoot. Assistant, come this way. You're going to turn the machine on from here, from this red button. And it should go on. This one should go on, but that's all you need to do. Is there power, Zolita, in the back?
Debe de estar. Oh, maybe the cord where you plugged it, it was not going through.
Okay, anyway, that's what
No.
it's supposed to be. Now turn it off and I'm going to fix it.